On today's episode of Must or Bust, we're tasting the new KitKat apple pie flavor. It's limited edition. This is crisp wafers and apple pie flavored white cream. Let's check it out on Must or Bust.
Must or Bust.
All right, you saw it. We're about to see it and taste it. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, let's try this. So we're gonna open it up here. And you saw it said it's white cream, so white cream indeed.
And it's true.
Ooh. You know what that smells like? It smells like a Scentsy or a candle, like a cinnamon apple pie candle like you get at Christmas time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells like Christmas in here. So
It kind of smells like a cake roll that's filled with some jelly or something.
yeah. Let me let you get a little closer look at it right here. You see it has like little specks and flecks of flavor right in here, and it's the white cream. So you go ahead and take a stick. I'm gonna take a stick and let's taste and see if we like this. I love regular Kit Kats, don't you?
They're okay.
Well, let's try one. One more. You know Hostess apple pies? You know, you get those little pies in a little bag. They're like $1, or they used to be. When you first bite into this, that's what hits me. And then it tastes like Apple Jacks.
Yeah. It tastes like cinnamon to me.
I think the world thinks they can't make anything apple unless it has cinnamon in it. Like if you go out to eat and you go to a restaurant and you get like those apples that are cooked, it's always cinnamon apples. All right, so Show Sparkle's gonna give her breakdown. I'm gonna give you mine. Here's mine. I think it tastes good. I'm pleasantly surprised. All it's missing, like they had you can see it on their intro, and I'll pop it up for you now. Right there on the package, it shows like a piece of pie with some ice cream on top. I gotta say, it's pretty close to that. All we're missing for this, and the white cream kind of does it, but all we're missing is like some Cool Whip on top of this. And it definitely tastes like apple pie. It definitely tastes like it has a little bit like that apple pie spice to it. It's not overly sweet. And I think it actually, pleasantly and surprisingly, is not horrible. It's an interesting idea. I don't know who came up with it, but they were thinking way outside the Kit Kat box. They were breaking off a piece of a Kit Kat bar, throwing it across the ocean and hoping to catch a cool idea. What do you think?
I think that it would have been a little better than I thought it would be. I think it probably tastes a little better with ice cream, or if it's like chilled in the fridge. It's like more, if it'd be like warm. I think it'd be better warm too, because you know it's like apple pie flavor.
You want it chilled and you want it warm.
You could try either way.
Try either way.
It's not that much, it's not that good room temperature.
Okay, so that's what we have. It's been sitting in the cabinet, right?
Yeah.
All right, so as you know, the channel name is updated. We'll get to that in a minute. So for you, is this a must or a bust?
I think it's a must because most people may not like it.
Well, I'm gonna give this a good old stamp of must. For sure. I actually don't hate it. Now here's the thing. Will I go out and get this if I'm like at Walmart for 88 cents and buy this again? I don't know. But if you came to my house and you had a stack of Kit Kat apple pies and said, here, try it out. Here's some. I would eat it again. So for me, it is a must. It's not horrible. I don't hate it. I think it's actually pretty interesting. But when I'm thinking of candy bars and stuff, I'm not thinking apple pie. I'm thinking chocolate. I'm thinking caramel. I'm thinking Milky Way. But in its own way, it's creative and it actually worked for Kit Kat. So I'll give them that. I'll give them that today.
I wish it was more apple tasting, like has like a sour type of apple taste to it. You know how like apples could be sweet and sour? Like the red ones are sweet and the green ones are sour.
True. So they could have messed around with it a lot. But I like what they did. It's apple pie. Pies aren't supposed to be sour. So, but yes, they could have went all over the place. You're absolutely right. Well, as you know, I have updated the channel name. It is now called Must or Bust. The Showstopper Shows is still on there, but I really want to break this channel down into more product review, food reviews, and everything I do is going to be very simple. Either it's a bust or it's a must. Obviously, a bust means don't get it. It's you tried something out and it doesn't work. It's a stock that you put money on and it goes broke. That's a bust. If it's a must, it means must have snacks, must go get it, must try, must buy. So that's what we're trying to do on this channel. So far, I've only done one bust. If you can go find it, let me know which one it was. And I've only done about 12 or 13 must or bust videos. I can't go back and redo all the 850 before. But that's what's going on with the channel now. If you guys like the must or bust idea, comment below. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Do you like the idea?
Yes. Must is like an encouragement for you to buy something that we have tried and that it's good.
Yes.
A bust is something you can get, but we don't like it that
We don't
much.
recommend it, right? Right, you can still go get it, but get it at your own risk. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. So pretty simple. Either it's good or it's bad, and sometimes you have stuff like you're kind of like it could work. This is more of a it could work thing. For me, that's where it falls into a must category. So it's not a bust for sure. Well, thank you for joining me today on the video. She's like, I want to try this and jump on there with you. So yeah, I'm glad you did. So thanks for watching Must or Bust on the Showstopper Shows. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on any video and let us know how you're doing today. We like to know. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you. Always put a bow on the show because that's a wrap.
The show stops here.
Never quit, y'all. He probably wants to taste one of these too, so we're going to hand it off. But we'll talk to you guys later.